Okay guys, we're updating the sound system in this backyard. It's a pretty amazing little thing. The one we're taking out was put in probably 15 years ago. And you'll see right there is the satellite speaker. That's just a 3-inch Marine speaker. Right there is the subwoofer, 10-inch low incursion dual voice coil, and it runs 8 ohms. There's 16 of the subs and times 4 on the satellites. We're upgrading them, obviously. This little room here, well, big room, I guess, is where the rack is. I'll show you that on another video because we're redoing it too. And right here is the replacement subwoofer, the Sonance Patio 4.1. Right, it goes in the ground. This is where one of the other subs were. We're gonna have to modify the dirt, make the hole a little bigger, a little deeper. This one's tapped at 300 watts. Everything runs 70 volt on this system. And I'll keep you informed on progress. Here's one little cute one. We're putting all the new stuff in conduit because of landscapers. You know, if you've ever done outdoor, what the landscapers do. I'll see you next time. Thanks.